Hi, on this particular video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Chevening Scholarship. It's a fully funded scholarship that's based in UK. So if this is what you're looking for on YouTube, then subscribe on my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video like this scholarship I'm going to explain to you, you get notified. Now on this scholarship I'm going to explain to you, I want you to be focused and follow all the steps so that you can successfully get this scholarship. Mind you that this scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. Both the fare, but the fee, everything is free. Now I'm going to take you to the website and I'm going to show you how to go through and to apply for this scholarship to the screen to the website. Now as you can see, this is how it will look like, but I'm going to drop this link on the description so that whenever you click on the link, it brings you to this particular phase. Now as you can see, Chevening Scholarship study in UK on the fully funded scholarship with Chevening. Now you can scroll down and you will read some things that you need to know about this particular scholarship. Who can apply, guidance for your application, research, master courses, all these places, you need to click on them to know what you need to do. On this video, what I'm trying to do for you is to show you and to give you a guideline on how to apply. So on this place, on this particular page, I am apply for an award. Application for Chevening Scholarship now open. Now here you're going to put your country. Let's say you're in Nigeria, so this is Nigeria. Select award. If you want to go for the scholarship or want to go for the fellowship, you click on anyone. But on this particular video, what we are doing is for the scholarship. Then you click on search. So it brings us here. As you can see Nigeria flag. You can see all these pictures at the Nigerian who have already been awarded the scholarship for the past years. So learn in UK, lead at home, shape the world. Open for application until 6 October 2026. This is the deadline. It's already open. Application for 2027-2028 Chevening Scholarship are now open. Now you can now read all these things to know what you need. So if you have been following me on my video, you actually know the documents you need for this particular for any scholarship, because they are similar documents. You need your transcript, you need your English test certificate, you need your degree certificate, you need some other things like your personal statement, your CV, your recommendation letter. But as we are going to tap on this apply today, we are going to know what we need to have. So now we are here on the apply on this particular scholarship. Now as you can see, choose an award. Please select the country or territory where you hold the citizenship. Now we are going to look for Nigeria again. So this is Nigeria. Then we are going to, as you can see, please select the award program that you are applying for from the available option. Chevening Oxford Center for Islamic Studies. Chevening Oxford. So now if you want to go for Islamic study, you can click on this. If you are going for this scholarship 2028, I will provide fully funded scholarship for 1 year masters. Option outpay, sorry, your pay and return home with this key. That means after your study, you need to return home to prove what you already studied in the UK. So we continue here. So I think you can choose to apply through Nigeria for Chevening Scholarship to continue. So now you can see register for an account. Before you continue, please read the terms. So shall we read the terms? Let's go ahead and read the terms. Let's see. So this is where you read the terms. I advise you to read the terms before moving forward. So the terms and conditions, you can download some of them. You can download this on your PDF. I think it's PDF downloadable. So now we are going straight to create an and sorry for the interruption. So we are going to move forward to create our account. Primary email, I'm going to put my email and recover email. So I think I put this and then I continue. To confirm, as you can see, it will ask you to confirm all this information. Yes, you confirm and continue. So this is just for this particular video. They sent us a verified email, so we are going to pass through our email and continue this particular video. So hold on, we are going to check what they've sent to us. So I think so application portal. So just hold on. Here we go. I think it's still loading. I think we have 2 pages here, page 1 of page 2. So eligibility requirements. So they are going to ask us some questions which we are going to be answering. So are you a citizen of Nigeria? You say yes. If you return to Nigeria after your award has ended for a minimum period of 2 years. For more details on the Chevening return home policy than that, you say yes. Oh, okay. So you say, do you hold a recognized undergraduate degree? That will you say yes, because you must have your degree before applying for this masters. Upper second class, which is not second class upper. So did you complete your undergraduate degree before? If you did, you say yes. If you have not done it, finished, you say no. So for me, it's yes. Since completing your undergraduate degree, have you occurred to the minimum required work experience? Yes. Are you at least? Yes. Are you applying for fund or course of study in the UK starting in the autumn term 2027? Are you applying to fund a course? No, you are not. You are applying. Are you applying to fund a course of UK? Yes, you are applying. This is what you are actually doing. Now the page 2. Are you a British citizen? No, you are not a British citizen. Are you currently reside in UK? No. Do you aspire to be or already a leader, decision maker, or opinion former in your home country? If it's yes, you say yes. If it's no, yes, because I'm a leader in my own workplace. Have you ever studied in UK with funding from the UK government? No. So you have to read all these things and understand them, follow them. Have you been employed in a permanent temporary internship cruise since August in UK? No. If your own is yes, yes. So no. Have any of your immediate relative been employed in the above organization since August? If yes, you say no. Then you can submit. Then when you submit, they'll say, okay, you have passed the eligible check. You will receive further instruction in your email to continue with the application. Please check. So now I'm going to check my email if it's something that they are going to send immediately, or if something that I'm going to check. Yes, they've sent it immediately. So they say, hello, good news. The response you have given us indicate that you are eligible to apply for the Chevening Scholarship. We strongly recommend you to prepare and submit your application as soon as possible to avoid missing deadline. So application, now I'm going to end here, right? I'm going to end on this particular place so that I will explain why I stopped here. The reason why I stopped here is for you to now go and read the eligibility, go and the guideline, go and read the guideline, know the kind of document you need before opening the application portal, before start filing for this scholarship. Why I said so is now there are something that you need to put in place. I don't want you to rush on this particular application, on this particular scholarship, because when you rush a scholarship or application, filing an application, I am very sure there will be a mistake. And in this kind of application, in this kind of scholarship where thousands of people are applying, it is very advisable, very okay that you do yourself good, sit down and arrange your document. So if you find this video very helpful, I want you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and I want you to share this video across your platform so that your friends and your family can as well benefit from this video. I'm going to drop this video in next few hours or in next 24 hours, so that after you've digested what we have seen today or what we have studied today and the way to navigate this platform, we can now proceed to go and file for this application. Thank you and God bless you. I love you.